Hello. Do you want to feel more confident in your life? Confidence isn't just about the successes we achieve. It's about how we see ourselves and how we embrace our true potential. Think about it. What would life look like if you trusted yourself more? Confidence is the key to unlocking so many doors, from better relationships to achieving your goals. In this video, I'll share practical and effective steps you can take to boost your confidence every single day. These are not just ideas, they're actionable steps that can help you grow and feel empowered. Remember, confidence starts within. So, are you ready to take the first step? Let's get started. Confidence starts with knowing yourself. Getting to know yourself is one of the most important steps in life. As you discover your strengths and potential, you'll realize that anything is possible. But do you really know yourself? The first step on this journey is asking yourself these questions. What am I best at? What comes naturally to me? What values are most important to me? By asking yourself these questions, you can gain clarity on both your strengths and areas for improvement. Knowing yourself means understanding not only what you do well, but also where you can put in more effort. Recognizing your worth is the most crucial step in building lasting confidence. Remember, confidence isn't about how others see you, it's about how you see yourself. The more you believe in yourself, the easier it will be to face the challenges life throws your way. Knowing your worth is the first and most important step in your confidence journey. Trust yourself and keep moving forward. Confidence is a continuous journey. It's not about being perfect, but about accepting yourself as you are and striving to grow. Every small step you take towards self-awareness and self-love builds a stronger foundation for your confidence. Keep asking yourself the important questions, stay true to who you are, and watch your confidence soar. Confidence isn't built overnight. It grows with every small step you take. These small victories may seem insignificant at first, but they are the foundation of lasting confidence. Think about it. When was the last time you accomplished something, no matter how small, and felt proud of yourself? Start by setting daily goals. These don't have to be grand or complicated. It could be as simple as waking up 30 minutes earlier, making your bed, or finishing a task you've been putting off. Each goal you complete gives you a sense of accomplishment and reminds you that you are capable of achieving more. Imagine starting your day with a small win, like getting out of bed at the first sound of your alarm. That single act can set the tone for a productive day. As you complete one small task after another, your confidence grows, and you begin to trust yourself more. The power of small victories lies in their ability to create momentum. When you see yourself accomplishing one thing, no matter how minor, it becomes easier to tackle bigger challenges. These little wins add up, building a sense of resilience and determination within you. But why are small victories so impactful? They help you create positive habits over time. For example, if you commit to reading just one page of a book every night, it might not seem like much at first. But after a month, you'll have finished an entire book. These consistent, small actions create a ripple effect, leading to bigger achievements you never thought possible. Don't underestimate the psychological impact of completing a task. When you check something off your to-do list, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical. This not only boosts your mood, but also reinforces your motivation to keep going. It's like a reward system that pushes you to strive for more. And let's not forget the importance of learning from setbacks. Not every day will be perfect, and that's okay. If you set a goal and don't achieve it, use it as an opportunity to reflect and adjust. Small victories also include bouncing back after a mistake, showing yourself that failure isn't the end but part of the process. Body language is a powerful way to express confidence. Before you say a word, the way you carry yourself tells others how you feel about yourself. To project confidence, start with your posture. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and lift your head high. A strong stance doesn't just look confident, it makes you feel confident too. Eye contact is another key element. Looking people in the eye shows engagement and self-assurance. If it feels intimidating, start with brief glances and build up gradually. Don't forget to smile. A genuine smile not only makes you approachable, but also boosts your mood and the energy of those around you. Finally, pay attention to your gestures. Avoid crossing your arms or fidgeting. as these can make you seem closed off. Instead, use open, relaxed movements that show you're comfortable and in control. Practice in front of a mirror if needed. Your body language isn't just a reflection of your confidence, it's a tool to build it. Stand tall, smile, and own your space. The more you embody confidence, the more you'll feel it. Negative thoughts can be like shadows, always lurking and draining your confidence. But remember, you have the power to control them. Start by recognizing these thoughts for what they are, temporary and changeable. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," reframe it as, "I have a chance to try." This small shift in language can make a big difference in how you feel and approach challenges. Another powerful way to combat negativity is through positive affirmations. Take a moment each day to write down one thing you're grateful for or one success, no matter how small. This practice trains your mind to focus on the good and creates a foundation for optimism. Meditation and mindfulness can also help you manage negative thoughts. By sitting quietly and observing your thoughts without judgment, you can learn to let go of negativity and embrace a calmer, more focused mindset. Every time you challenge a negative thought or replace it with a positive one, you're taking a step toward greater confidence and self-belief. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Change your thoughts, and you can change your life. Confidence isn't built overnight. It's a journey. Along the way, remember to be kind to yourself and acknowledge that small steps can lead to big changes. Each day, as you trust yourself a little more, you'll get closer to becoming the person you aspire to be. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We're here to continue this journey together. Remember, your power comes from within. Take a step today to move forward with confidence in your life. See you in the next video.